everyone, today we are taking you with us to the local market in Romania. We will show you some dishes my mom cooked for us. First up, the meat and cheese section. Here you can get fresh products made locally. The prices and the quality is very good. Today we are buying smoked pig ham. Cut from the pig, really tender with some fat. We also grabbed some smântână, which is like a thick fresh sour cream, all made by the local producers. You can really taste the difference when it's fresh from the market. Next, we wanted to buy some fruits and veggies, but on the way we stopped by a cute little stand where an older lady was selling some books. I found an old book that I thought would be perfect for the holidays. I probably won't finish it soon. I'm really slow reader. I'm trying to get into the habit of reading more. Finally, we reached the fruits and veggies stand. The markets are full with seasonal products. We picked up everything my mom needed. Fresh salad, green onions, tomatoes, and a beautiful lavender plant. Now we just wait at the queue to pay everything. Here the currency is not euro, it's lei or RON. So make sure if you visit any local market that you have cash with you, as usually you cannot pay by card in the market. It's always so fun to come to the market with my mom. You feel the connection to the local traditions and the community. I can't wait to show you the dishes we ate here. And now we are heading back home with everything we bought. We are making a classic Romanian dish, potato stew with smoked meat. Simple, comforting, and full of flavor. It's very easy to prepare. You need some potatoes, peel them and cut them into small pieces. Then cut some green onions and some smoked ham. Start by putting the smoked meat into a pot, then add the green onions on top. Next, add the potatoes and pour some water, just enough to cover everything. Season it with salt and pepper. Boil it until the potatoes are soft. The beauty of this dish is that you can do it with different types of smoked meat, depending on what you are having at home. Perfect cozy meal with the family. Now let's move to our second main dish. This is one of my favorite dishes. Today we are making piure with chicken and sauce de măgar. No piure?
No, no piure.
But I prepare piure.
Ah, da.
Piure with chicken. But first we need to prepare this herb mix. And we are gonna do that with my sweet grandma, which is almost 90 years old, and she loved to cook so much in her life. My grandma prepared here some herbs that we are gonna use here. And this. We chopped dill, parsley and lovage, a strong celery-like herb. This we are gonna use for soups and stews. After you chopped everything, you need to add 2 or 3 salt spoons and mix everything together. Then place everything in a jar and close it properly. And this is for today. We will use it for our chicken and piure. You can use for soup all the time you make a soup. You put 2, 3, 4 spoons, depends on your soup, and it tastes so good. Now let's start prepare the dish. Potatoes, we need to clean them. and then cut them in small pieces and put it to boil. My mom went again to the market to buy different things this time, so we are just unpacking some things she bought. We use borscht very often in our soups. Borscht is a traditional Romanian sour liquid. It's naturally fermented, which gives a subtle, complex taste. We are gonna prepare also a side salad.
Ia foaie cu foaie dacă vrei să mănânci pământ.
Garden salad from the garden with ground. Cât crezi că aveți? 4, 5? This was my favorite snack when I was a kid. Meantime, we are checking if the potatoes are boiled. Wow.
Deci bine.
Wow. This is the salad with pepper, salt and oil. Very simple. After we finish making the salad, we are starting preparing the chicken. First boiled and after placed into a pan with onions to fry.
Carne, în care o poți fiartă.
Add some of the water from the chicken broth. Piper.
O linguriță de boia pentru
Paprika?
culoare. Da.
Reusing the
Borcan.
yeah, the borcane. This is mântâna, which is sour cream. It's not that sour. Ours it's a little sweet when we cannot get it outside Romania. What we do is we buy one sour cream and one fat yogurt, then we mix it. We get the consistency from here because this is very different consistency.
Mestecat.
This is what prepared before. There is no fire, so we are not cooking it. It's just at the end you add it on top to keep the flavor of the greens. And you just mix it. This is one of my favorite dishes. I know it's a very easy dish, but when you are cooking without your mom, it never tastes the same. It's like that. And I was always guessing how she is doing it, that it tastes so good and why it doesn't taste the same. I don't know. I will try again and see. And let's see how it's gonna go. But right now we are just gonna enjoy the dish here with my parents.
Clasic, bătătorul ăsta.
This will take forever. Butter for the piure. My mom is putting now chicken broth on top. I have no idea. Sometimes she's mixing recipes. But yeah, I guess it's very tasty.
Că să fie un pic mai...
She says she wanted it more creamy and we did it lactose free. Some sauce on top. Wow. Finally, we served the stew hot with the creamy mashed potatoes. It's simple, filling, and absolutely delicious. Cooking with my mom and grandma like this is not just about food, it's about keeping traditions alive, enjoying time with family, and making memories. And I hope sharing it with you gives a little taste of Romania and our family kitchen.